Today is one of my favorite days of the year because it's a chance for us to celebrate some key people who are the heart and soul of our company, our housekeeping teams. They're the ones who bring skill, pride, and genuine hospitality to 100,000 families every year who stay at our resorts. And today we get to honor them in one of the most fun ways we know, our Housekeeping Olympics. Our Housekeeping Olympics is always such a special, fun-filled day with energy, laughter, team pride, and incredible displays of skill. It's a moment where our teams step into the spotlight and show the pride that they take in their work, something our owners and our guests feel every single day. Watching them come together, cheer each other on, and put their heart into what they do is truly inspiring. This event is one of the ways we say thank you, and it means so much to see them celebrated the way they deserve. This year, we also connected this celebration to a cause that reflects the values that we see in our teams. Christel House, Mexico City. Christel House's mission is simple and powerful: to break the cycle of poverty through education, healthcare, strong character development, and give kids a seat at the table of life. It was founded by one of my mentors, Christel House, a leader who helped shape our timeshare industry and deeply believed in lifting others up, especially children. Through our long-standing relationship with RCI, we've supported Christel House for many years, and we're proud to continue that tradition today. We've made our Housekeeping Olympics this year a fundraiser to support students at Christel House, Mexico City. This connection holds special meaning for us because many of our housekeeping associates are part of the Hispanic community. The perseverance, generosity, family, and pride that we see in them every day, those are the same values that Christel House nurtures in its students. It's a shared spirit, people working together, lifting up one another, and creating opportunities for brighter futures. Every moment of fun today celebrates our incredible housekeeping teams. And this year, it also extends opportunity and hope to children who attend Christel House. Together, we're making an impact that reaches far beyond this event. We also want to extend a heartfelt thank you to our event sponsors. Your generosity helps bring this celebration to life and strengthens the support we're able to provide to Christel House. And to our extraordinary housekeeping teams across the Grand Pacific family, thank you. We're so grateful for everything that you do. We wouldn't have the welcoming, super clean, wonderful resorts that we have without you.